All right, hello people. Today I want to talk about again the market, and people keep sending me messages about like, should I sell? Should I sell? Should I sell? I don't recommend selling because then you will lose that money, and again, the market eventually will come up. Now, I've been getting a lot of criticism about people saying, "Oh yeah, well, it's common sense, buy low, sell high," but again, people don't get the damn concept. And it's kind of annoying because if you guys knew that, then you guys wouldn't be buying in an upsell. And people that have been sending me questions have been saying, "Oh, well, the stock was going up, so I bought into it and now I'm losing money." Well, because you bought in an upsell. The thing is that to make this more clearly, companies are still day trading. For me, I'm not really losing money right now because I haven't sold. I'm actually buying more and I'm actually making money because I'm day trading or swing trading as well. And the reason for that is because, there are a lot of, no offense, dumb people out there because they panic. So what a company does, pretty much a big corporation, let's say for Ford, yesterday it was doing well. It kind of went up for a bit. It went up to like $5, and people started buying in. So when it was down like at 460 or something, it shot up like to like 490, and then people started buying. So what a big company does, big day traders or swing traders usually invest millions of shares. As you see, you buying 10 shares or 20 shares is not really going to make a difference in the market. It's probably going to go up not even a cent, you know? Millions of trades have to happen so the stock can go up. So if a stock shoots up really quickly, I'm pretty sure the next day it's going to probably drop down. And the reason for that is because a huge company will see, okay, it's a good time to buy. They'll manipulate the stock. They'll invest whatever, they'll buy like 20 million stocks and it'll go up, 30 cents. And then everybody starts buying into it because they see that it's going up, and they think they're not going to get it at a good time. They think it's going to keep going up, but it's not. These companies are just upselling. They're manipulating the stock, making it go up 30 cents so then it could go up another 15, 20 cents, and then they'll sell off. They'll pretty much take all that profit and make a good trade, you know? So like let's say they buy a million shares, they make 15 cents, whatever, they'll make like what, 15,000 or something like that. So like, you kind of have to pay attention to that, guys. Do not go on an uptrend. It's kind of hard to not see that, but for me, again, when the stock comes down, every time it keeps coming down, I buy a bit and a bit more, I keep buying a few shares here, a few shares there, because I know it's going to keep coming down. If it shoots up quickly, if you are a swing trader or day trader, then sell, make that profit, and then the next day, pretty much it'll come down again. And yeah, so people are in fear right now. You have to understand that people are in fear. As I predicted, like I said, as you see down here, Costco, Walmart, and Target made little profits. So I made my huge chunk of change there, and I'm sold off pretty much because they are making good profits. So they're good to swing trade. I did buy into them when they were a bit lower, and now I sold them. So again, I'm getting money from those swing trades because I knew Costco, Walmart, and Target are selling everything. So they're making good profits. As you see right now, it's going up. Do not buy. That's something that I do say that people say, oh, it's common sense, but they still keep doing. So, again, just learn how the market works, guys. Be patient with it, learn it. There is money there, but there shouldn't be fear. Because, again, these companies will eventually come up. They're huge companies, and they'll eventually come up. For a company that's been collapsing a lot is Realty Income. Now, this company has pretty much dropped down, because of, the whole thing. But it shouldn't have. Why? Because it's a realty company. They still own a lot of land. They're renting it out. They're making money. So, again, as you see, their earnings have been really high because they, have property. That's what their business is in. People are still, whatever, let's say they have condos. People still have to pay their rent. you know, so that company is shouldn't be doing this bad, but it's a good company to jump into because they do pay a monthly dividend, and they have been paying it for a really long time. So they're a giant. But again, guys, just pay attention to the market. Do not be afraid. If you thought you lost a lot of money, you haven't until you sold. If you're going to do swing trades, I do recommend you guys doing swing trades if you can. But, you know, like I said, if you're, let's say you bought, I would say I bought Ford at $6. Now it's at $4.40. You know, I've been averaging down, you know, so now it's like at $5.82. But like, let's say if I bought, let's say 10 shares, for example, I bought 10 shares of Ford at $4.40. You know, if it goes up to like $4.90 because they do an upswing, then I would sell those 10 shares because I'm making my profit on what I did there. And if it drops down again, then I'll buy again. And again, that's how I'll be making my money. I do that in bigger portions. So again, in my other portfolio, because, you know, I have all the tools on E-Trade, I can do better trades and swing trades like that. So again, guys, just, it's a tough spot right now because people don't like seeing their money come down. For me, I really don't care because I've seen it come down before. I've lost a lot of money back when I was 18 years old, back in 2009. So again, I learned from that. And again, all these companies are going to bounce back. If it's not soon, it's fine because a lot of these stocks I am keeping long term, and, you know, eventually they'll still be paying out of dividends throughout this. So you'll still be getting a return. You know, so the cheaper the price is, the more you can get. Before, Ford was at $12. Now it's a third of that price. So, you know, instead of buying one stock, you could get three now for the price that it was before. Eventually, it will get back up there. So, patience, guys. Be mind strong. This is what the market is. You have to be mind strong with the market. If you're not, then you'll never succeed in it. So, you know, again, this is happening because people are selling off their 401k. They're panicking. They're saying, oh, we're losing money. 401ks are meant to be left till you're like 60 or something, right? So then leave them like that. You know, I don't know why people are selling off their 401ks because they see it collapsing. No, you know, if they're, you know, 40 years old, they still got another 20 years before that happens, and the market is going to swing up, you know? So again, be patient, guys. Just mind steady. Again, I'm doing it for personal experience. Just here on Robinhood, I'm down today $93, which is not a lot for me, but I am down on my other portfolio a good chunk. But I'm not worried about it because I'm putting in more money, and now I'm getting even more dividends. And if the stock goes up to that price that it was before, I'm going to make a huge chunk of money, more than a lot of people make a year. So again, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions, please let me know, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. So thank you. Peace out.